So over here you can see that I have a storyboard project, and if I were to go to panel right here, then I can go around and write some information right here. So I'm just going to go around and say this is a sentence right here, and let me just go around and make some spelling errors right here. So now if I were to go around and then let's say paste this out right here, then you can see that this is a part of a paragraph as a paragraph as well. So if I were to go around and do this, then you can see the red underlines right here. So a spelling check feature is built in inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro as well. So if I were to right click right here, then you can see that these are what you have. You can go around and choose the correct spelling right here, just like this. And what you can also do is you can go to let's say for example onto the captions right here, and here you can see spelling is an option over here as well. So there's check spelling while typing is there as well, and that's why there was red underline. But if I were to turn that off, you can see that it gets removed right here. But if I were to go to spell check, then you can see that now I get this right here. So you can choose from one of these options that you see right here, or type in whatever you want right here and replace once, and then that will be replaced. Click on replace once, it will be replaced right here, and so forth. And you can choose the one you like over here as well and replace it. But if you want to, let's say for example, add some spellings to the dictionary so that it doesn't actually show as a spelling error, then you can go to add to dictionary over here as well. And all of the words that you add to the dictionary gets recorded in the personal dictionary right here, and you can see it right here. And you can remove from the dictionary as well if you don't want to don't want that word anymore. And you can even choose different language, as you can see from the choices right here. So that is how you can use the spell check feature inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.